بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
الحمد لله الذي خلق السماوات والأرض وجعل الظلمات والنور ثم الذين كفروا بربهم يعدلون.
All praise is due for Allah alone, who created the heavens and the earth, and brought into being light and darkness. And yet those who have rejected the call of the truth ascribe others to be equals to their Lord.
هو الذي خلقكم من طين ثم قضى أجلا وأجل مسمى عنده ثم أنتم تمترون.
He it is who has created you out of clay, and then decreed a term of life, and has also appointed another term, a term determined with him. Yet you are in doubt.
وهو الله في السماوات وفي الأرض يعلم سركم وجهركم ويعلم ما تكسبون.
And he it is who is the one true God in the heavens and the earth. He knows your deeds, both secret and open, and knows fully whatever good or evil you do.
وما تأتيهم من آية من آيات ربهم إلا كانوا عنها معرضين.
Yet every time a sign of their Lord comes to them, they run away from it.
فقد كذبوا بالحق لما جاءهم فسوف يأتيهم أنباء ما كانوا به يستهزئون.
And thus they gave the lie to the truth that has now come to them. Soon they will come upon some news concerning what they had mocked at.
ألم يروا كم أهلكنا من قبلهم من قرن مكناهم في الأرض ما لم نمكن لكم وأرسلنا السماء عليهم مدرارا وجعلنا الأنهار تجري من تحتهم فأهلكناهم بذنوبهم وأنشأنا من بعدهم قرنا آخرين.
Have they not seen how many a people we have destroyed before them? People whom we had made more powerful in the earth than you are, and upon whom we had showered abundant rains from the heavens, and at whose feet we caused the rivers to flow. And then, when they behaved ungratefully, we destroyed them for their sins and raised other peoples in their place.
ولو نزلنا عليك كتابا في قرطاس فلمسوه بأيديهم لقال الذين كفروا إن هذا إلا سحر مبين.
O Messenger, had we sent down to you a book inscribed on parchment, and had they even touched it with their own hands, the unbelievers would still have said, "This is nothing but plain magic."
وقالوا لولا أنزل عليه ملك ولو أنزلنا ملكا لقضي الأمر ثم لا ينظرون.
They also say, "Why has no angel been sent down to this prophet?" Had we sent down an angel, the matter would surely have long been decided, and no respite would have been granted them.
ولو جعلناه ملكا لجعلناه رجلا وللبسنا عليهم ما يلبسون.
Had we appointed an angel, we would have sent him down in the form of a man, and thus we would have caused them the same doubt which they now entertain.
ولقد استهزئ برسل من قبلك فحاق بالذين سخروا منهم ما كانوا به يستهزئون.
And indeed, before your time, O Muhammad, many a messenger has been scoffed at, but those who mocked at them were encompassed by the truth they had scoffed at.
قل سيروا في الأرض ثم انظروا كيف كان عاقبة المكذبين.
Say, go about journeying the earth, and behold the end of those who gave the lie to the truth.
قل لمن ما في السماوات والأرض قل لله كتب على نفسه الرحمة ليجمعنكم إلى يوم القيامة لا ريب فيه الذين خسروا أنفسهم فهم لا يؤمنون.
Ask them, to whom belongs all that is in the heavens and on the earth? Say, everything belongs to Allah. He has bound himself to the exercise of mercy, and thus does not instantly chastise you for your disobedience and excesses. Surely he will gather you all together on the day of resurrection, the coming of which is beyond doubt, but those who have courted their own ruin are not going to believe.
وله ما سكن في الليل والنهار وهو السميع العليم.
And to him belongs all that dwells in the night and the day. He is all-hearing, all-knowing.
قل أغير الله أتخذ وليا فاطر السماوات والأرض وهو يطعم ولا يطعم قل إني أمرت أن أكون أول من أسلم ولا تكونن من المشركين.
Say, shall I take for my guardian anyone other than Allah, the originator of the heavens and earth, he who feeds and himself is not fed? Say, surely I have been commanded to be the first among those who submit to Allah, and not to be one of those who associate others with Allah in His divinity, even though others may do so.
قل إني أخاف إن عصيت ربي عذاب يوم عظيم.
Say, surely do I fear, if I disobey my Lord, the chastisement of an awesome day.
من يصرف عنه يومئذ فقد رحمه وذلك الفوز المبين.
Whosoever has been spared chastisement on that day, Allah has bestowed His mercy upon him. That is the manifest triumph.
وإن يمسسك الله بضر فلا كاشف له إلا هو وإن يمسسك بخير فهو على كل شيء قدير.
Should Allah touch you with affliction, there's none to remove it but He, and should He touch you with good, He has the power to do everything.
وهو القاهر فوق عباده الحكيم الخبير.
He has the supreme hold over His servants. He is all wise, all aware.
قل أي شيء أكبر شهادة قل الله شهيد بيني وبينكم وأوحي إلي هذا القرآن لأنذركم به ومن بلغ أئنكم لتشهدون أن مع الله آلهة أخرى قل لا أشهد قل إنما هو إله واحد وإنني بريء مما تشركون.
Ask them, whose testimony is the greatest? Say, Allah is the witness between me and you, and this Quran was revealed to me, that I should warn you thereby, and also whomsoever it may reach. Do you indeed testify that there are other gods with Allah? Say, I shall never testify such a thing. Say, He is the one God, and I am altogether averse to all that you associate with Him in His divinity.
الذين آتيناهم الكتاب يعرفونه كما يعرفون أبناءهم الذين خسروا أنفسهم فهم لا يؤمنون.
Those whom we have given the book recognize this just as they recognize their own offspring, but those who have courted their own ruin will not believe.
ومن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا أو كذب بآياته إنه لا يفلح الظالمون.
And who could be more wrongdoing than he who either foists a lie on Allah or gives the lie to His signs? Surely such wrongdoers shall not attain success.
ويوم نحشرهم جميعا ثم نقول للذين أشركوا أين شركاؤكم الذين كنتم تزعمون.
On the day when we shall gather them all together, we shall ask those who associated others with Allah in His divinity, where now are your partners whom you imagine to have a share in the divinity of Allah?
ثم لم تكن فتنتهم إلا أن قالوا والله ربنا ما كنا مشركين.
Then they will be able to play no mischief, but will say falsely, By Allah, our Lord, we associated none with you in your divinity.
انظر كيف كذبوا على أنفسهم وضل عنهم ما كانوا يفترون.
Behold, how they will lie against themselves, and how their forged deities will forsake them.
ومنهم من يستمع إليك وجعلنا على قلوبهم أكنة أن يفقهوه وفي آذانهم وقرا وإن يروا كل آية لا يؤمنوا بها حتى إذا جاءوك يجادلونك يقول الذين كفروا إن هذا إلا أساطير الأولين.
And of them Then there are some who appear to pay heed to you, but upon their hearts we have laid coverings, so they do not understand, and in their ears there's heaviness, so they do not hear. Even if they were to witness every sign, they would still not believe in it. So much so that when they come to you, they dispute with you, and those who disbelieve contend, "This is nothing but fables of the ancient times."
وهم ينهون عنه وينأون عنه وإن يهلكون إلا أنفسهم وما يشعرون.
As for others, they prevent them from embracing the truth, and they themselves flee from it so as to harm you. But they court their own ruin, although they do not realize it.
ولو ترى إذ وقفوا على النار فقالوا يا ليتنا نرد ولا نكذب بآيات ربنا ونكون من المؤمنين.
If you could but see when they shall be made to stand by the fire, they will plead, "Would that we were brought back to life. Then we would not give the lie to the signs of our Lord, and would be among the believers."
بل بدا لهم ما كانوا يخفون من قبل ولو ردوا لعادوا لما نهوا عنه وإنهم لكاذبون.
No, they will say this merely because the truth which they had concealed will become obvious to them, or else, if they were sent back, they would still revert to what was forbidden to them. So this plea of theirs would be a lie too, for they are just liars.
وقالوا إن هي إلا حياتنا الدنيا وما نحن بمبعوثين.
They say now, "There is nothing but the life of this world, and we shall not be raised from the dead."
ولو ترى إذ وقفوا على ربهم قال أليس هذا بالحق قالوا بلى وربنا قال فذوقوا العذاب بما كنتم تكفرون.
If you could but see when they will be made to stand before their Lord, He will say, "Is not this the truth?" They will say, "Yes, indeed, by our Lord." Whereupon He will say, "Then taste the chastisement for your denying the truth."
قد خسر الذين كذبوا بلقاء الله حتى إذا جاءتهم الساعة بغتة قالوا يا حسرتنا على ما فرطنا فيها وهم يحملون أوزارهم على ظهورهم ألا ساء ما يزرون.
Those who consider it a lie that they will have to meet Allah are indeed the losers, so much so that when that hour comes to them suddenly, they will say, "Alas for us, how negligent we have been in this behalf." They will carry their burden of sins on their backs. How evil is the burden they bear.
وما الحياة الدنيا إلا لعب وللدار الآخرة خير للذين يتقون أفلا تعقلون.
The life of this world is nothing but a sport and a pastime, and the life of the hereafter is far better for those who seek to ward off their ruin. Will you then not understand?
قد نعلم إنه ليحزنك الذي يقولون فإنهم لا يكذبونك ولكن الظالمين بآيات الله يجحدون.
O Muhammad, we know indeed that the things they say grieve you, though in truth it is not you whom they give the lie to, but it is the signs of Allah that these wrongdoers reject.
وَلَقَدْ كُذِّبَتْ رُسُلٌ مِّن قَبْلِكَ فَصَبَرُوا عَلَى مَا كُذِّبُوا وَأُوذُوا حَتَّى أَتَاهُمْ نَصْرُنَا وَلَا مُبَدِّلَ لِكَلِمَاتِ اللَّهِ وَلَقَدْ جَاءَكَ مِن نَّبَإِ الْمُرْسَلِينَ.
Messengers before you have been given the lie to, and they endured with patience. They being given the lie to, and being persecuted until the time when our help reached them. None has the power to alter the words of Allah. Indeed, some account of the messengers has already reached you.
وَإِن كَانَ كَبُرَ عَلَيْكَ إِعْرَاضُهُمْ فَإِنِ اسْتَطَعْتَ أَن تَبْتَغِيَ نَفَقًا فِي الْأَرْضِ أَوْ سُلَّمًا فِي السَّمَاءِ فَتَأْتِيَهُم بِآيَةٍ وَلَوْ شَاءَ اللَّهُ لَجَمَعَهُمْ عَلَى الْهُدَى فَلَا تَكُونَنَّ مِنَ الْجَاهِلِينَ.
Nevertheless, if their turning away grieves you, then seek, if you can, either a way down into the earth or a ladder to the heavens, and try to bring to them some sign. Had Allah so willed, He would have gathered them all to the true guidance. Do not then be among the ignorant.